All right, I'm gonna move my head over here. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys this trade right here, which I'm gonna close out on these accounts that I got going, and I'm gonna show you the pattern that I'm looking at. You can see I'm up 26 pips. I want to target up here, but it looks like it's lagging, so I'm just going to take my money, and that is this trade right here for 800 and something. So I'm just going to close it, and then I'll show you guys exactly what I was looking for. These are still running in profit, as you can see, but what I want to do is go to my trade history so that I can show you guys another trade that I did, which you can see now I've been hitting like a slot machine, but this is one that I'm going to show you guys right here, GA. This is going to be exactly what I'm trying to show you guys, okay? So on the 1 hour time frame, you can see it on the 4 hour where it dropped with the arrow, but I'm going to show you exactly how I was looking for this, okay? What I want to do is show you guys a particular chart pattern. So let me pull that up for you guys. And once I show you this pattern, this is what you want to start looking for. Okay, I was trying to find that chart pattern for you guys, but on the internet, and then to expose it to you guys, but I'm just going to show you what I'm looking for. Basically, let's go to GA. That's where I hit nicely on that one. And that's for 2,400 today in a couple of hours. And then you see this one for another 800. So here's what I'm actually looking for. Okay. And it's always just really, really simple. And it's this. Actually, let me not do this big old long line. I'll just grab this here and create the box. Okay. And as you can see, this consolidation pattern, that's all I'm looking for. What I'm looking for is a direction of the trend. I'm waiting for it to hit consolidation. Once I hit consolidation, it's going to do a breakout. And once it does that breakout, it tends to typically, unless there's some news events like what happened to gold, typically when you get into this original downtrend, and I'm looking for it originally to a fresh start in a new direction. Okay, so you see it was going up, up, and I'll show you this right here. You'll see it right here as well. But basically, it was going up, up. Now we got the arrow on the 1 hour, and you can check it on the 30-minute arrow, and there you go. Which, by the way, we can see this actually better on the 30-minute time frame. So you can see right here where it was originally now heading in a downward direction. Okay, then it hits consolidation. This is what I'm looking for, and here's the time that I'm looking for it. Okay, I'm not looking to enter too early. The time that I'm looking to enter on this trade is roughly around 11 p.m. to 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, okay? After the Asian session, basically, is what I'm looking for, because the Asian session is where they tend to create these consolidatory patterns. So you'll have a initial impulse move or initial move push to the downside or upside. And I'll show you, I'm looking at another one right here. It's very easy to spot. You'll see these all week long, okay? So basically, it goes in the direction, then it consolidates, and then it breaks out of there and goes. So all I'm looking for is this thing to consolidate. Once I see it consolidate and hit my resistance on this as a sell or support in the buy direction, I want to get in that trade for some nice pips. And on this one here, I was able to knock this out. I got up here in this box, okay? And I got 73 pips, even though it went down to 88 pips, okay? But I closed it out, woke up, and I was like, oh, it's already been hit. And so I took my profits about 30 minutes ago, okay? So that's all you're looking for. Drop, slide to the side, drop. I'll say it again. Drop, slide to the side, drop. One more time. And watch, I'm going to show you another example of it, so just pay attention. Drop, slide to the side, drop. So once it goes and does this slide to the side, that's what I'm looking for. And as you can see, I wasn't greedy. It did the initial down push move. I took my profits. I'm out. All right. So on this trade right here, EJ, which by the way, I got to check my, prop firm account, because I'm running this actual trade on my prop firm, and it is in profit. So you're going to hear me close it out. 2 positions on that one. Give me a second. There we go. There we go. All right. So you heard me close out 2 positions on that. I was waiting for it to actually hit here, but I don't want to be greedy. Again, just get in and get out. But I believe it can push and get up there, but it's only a few pips more. So nope, don't want to be greedy. Just get your money. So why did I take this one? Let's go back to GA and you'll see this here. All right. This is one where, look at this, up, slide to the side, up. Okay. Down, slide to the side, down. Up, slide to the side, up. Okay. So watch this. I'm going to mark it out so you can see them. They happen all the time. These are continuation patterns. Okay. I think they call these, let me go to my cheat sheet. I told you guys about this little cheat sheet thing that you can get. I think they call it a bullish rectangle. Okay, bullish rectangle is what they call it. So basically it creates this long consolidation pattern or rectangle. Okay, there you go. There's the rectangle. So it will continue typically in the same direction as the original trend. So see, up, slide to the side, up, down, slide to the side, down. You see what I mean? You see what I mean? Just easy. Slide to the side. What was the original direction? I need to create a video on doing a dance for trading because that's as simple as the dance go. Up, slide to the side, up. Down, slide to the side, down. Now let's go to EJ because this is all I'm looking for, continuation patterns. They're safer too than trading, reversals. So let's find some here. So for an example, I see one here and it comes in different shapes, but it's going to do the same thing. All right. So here we go. Here goes one right here. Right here. So down, slide to the side, down. Here, we see a big, gigantic one. So practice being able to see these, okay? Practice being able to see them. And all I did was wait right there, okay? And what's the original direction of this? An uptrend, okay? And let me see if I can draw you in a trend line, which you guys could be able to see. So there you go. So what was the direction of the trend? So you can see up, slide to the side, up. Pretty simple, huh? It's really that simple. Okay. Consolidatory patterns, get in them, hold on for the ride because they will ting, 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 ting. They'll bounce around for a little bit in that area, in that range. Look at this. I could have held on and this thing's still going. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let's see. And I'm going to put up here where I got out at. So you can see I got out right here. There you go. But if I would have held on, that would have been a G stack at least. So I was probably right on my analysis saying that it'll probably at least come to here. But again, today is Thursday and, I'm sorry, it's Friday. And so, just get in and get out, get what you can and keep it moving. Don't have to be greedy because greedy people always be the ones that get caught in some hot mess. But you see the point. Okay. So, down, slide to the side, down, up, slide to the side, up. Okay, let's see if we can catch something else. All right, so here's one where I'm in. This is a different one. This is a cup and handle, I think they call it or whatever. So that's different. Let's see if we can find something, another one. So I want to show you another example of it. See if I can find one more for you. All right, so here's a big one right here. Now, the key is holding on with patience. Down, slide to the side, down. See that? Down, slide to the side, down. Okay. Now, how many pips was this? Now, again, when you enter, just hold on tight. Okay. Hold on tight. Right here, from when it broke out the box to the drop was 116 pips. So again, just remember the dance move of the markets. Now, here's another small one right here. Watch this. Here it is. I told you, once you begin to do this, you'll start spotting these very easy. All right. So down, slide to the side, down. Slide to the side, down. You see what I'm saying? So right here is where traders get really frustrated because when you're in a consolidatory pattern, you don't know it and for a while. So sometimes you just got to hold on. But once you realize you're in it, just hold on tight. You don't have to get upset with the trade. Hey, this thing ain't going nowhere, blah, 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 blah. Just hold on tight because you already know down, slide to the side. Eventually it's going to do what? Continue back in the same pattern. and rinse and repeat. Down, slide to the side, down. All right, let me see if I can find one. I already see this one here, but it's topping out right there. Okay, let me see if I can find you guys one more. Because I want to see it. See, here goes a big one. Huge. And when that thing broke down, like a broke down Cadillac, down, slide to the side, down. Okay, very simple. Let me see if I can find one to the upside though. Okay, this thing looks like it's going to reverse. See, this is bouncing and coming back up. That's not what we're looking for. Okay, let's go. Here we go, right here. And look what it's doing. Same thing, right here. Squared up. See, right there. Okay, and you see it's bouncing off support if you have the sexy analyst system. See it's bouncing off support. Let's go. What direction is this thing going? Right here. What's the original direction? Uptrend. Okay, it's an uptrend. So here we go. Goes up, wiggle around, and bam, that's where I want to get in. What? Up, slide to the side. What happens next? And you can see it happening right here in front of you. I wish I would have caught this trade. Man, that would have went up. Look, I would have made good money on this one too. See? Slide to the side. Slide to the side. There you go. Right there is where I would have put my target. My stop loss would have been under. So basically from here, where I see it consolidating, it would have been about 51 pips. And the stop would have probably been 44 pips. So good 1-to-1. Sometimes these things can run way up though. Here's the deal. Let's see. This thing can actually come up and you see the ADR high is saying right up here. So let's mark that out and then come back down and take a look at what we were looking at. Look at that thing bouncing. Ooh. See? That slide to the side. Slide to the side. All right, let's take a look. All right, here we go. Up. Slide to the side, up. Now, it's saying it can pop up actually out of here and keep channeling up. And if it does reach to the average daily range from here to here, that would be 98 pips versus 48 pips. So basically almost a 2-to-1, 2-for-1. Okay. So anyway, I'll try to do more of these for you guys. I just want to show you the bangers that I did. So that you guys can clearly see exactly. Look at there. Oh my God. I think it's going to touch target. Oh, geez. Wow. Okay. But see, I took my 70-something pips and I just ran. Let's see this one. I did this one the other day. Okay. And look at this. This has 2 of them on there. Okay. Right here. Head and shoulders is what they call them as well if you catch it. But you can see it happen again right here. Same thing. You're going to spot these. Especially if you're on the 1 hour time frame, you can really see them because now you're getting more volume of information. But basically, it's the same thing right here. See, right there. Just slide to the side. And they're going to come in different shapes. Sometimes they call these flag patterns or whatever. But basically, you're just looking for consolidation after the Asian session. Okay, consolidation typically happens during the Asian session. So after the Asian session comes to an end, you can start looking for these and say, okay, it's creating basically a basic breakout pattern. It's going to be a breakout pattern. In what direction? Typically in the same direction as a trend. So to keep the game simple, let's take a look. I just marked up 3 of them right in front of you. What was the original direction? Clearly you can see uptrend, right? So it goes up, slide to the side, up. Okay, up. Slide to the side, up. Now the direction has changed. So look at this. Down, slide to the side, and it's heading down. Breakout. Okay. All right, you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good week.